And now I'll hand you over to your host, Mr. Fergus Cahalan.
Hello. You're all very welcome to the show. One muted, yeah. So we're looking forward to getting going here. We have a wonderful special guest here with Pierce Larkin. And we're all very good. Let's give a warm welcome, Seamus Ennis Larkin. And so amazing that you've all joined us on this wet and rainy night. And I know more people are on the way. They're as late as our singers in this room are wonderful. So we'll be welcoming people in as we go. The last couple of months, we've had the privilege of asking the Pride of Drogheda, Jerry Cullen, to sing a song to start us off. Now, I see your daughter's with you. If you want, if whoever's ready to go there, you can arm wrestle for it.
There's none of us ready to go. We're never ready.
They're always ready. So let's give a warm welcome to kick off this Seamus Ennis Arts Centre singing session with Jerry Cullen. Thank you.
Thanks, Fergus. A bad accident on the way across from the Knoll, from the motorway there, so it took us a while to get through. I think everybody's okay. It looked a bad smash anyway. It's not too long a song. From the singing of Paddy Tunney. The first time that I met my love, it was in Tavern Green, and I would wish with all my heart your face I'd never seen. It was your killing glances that wounded my heart sore. But I was sick and bad in love till I could love no more. All love, it is a killing thing, I hear the people say. And for to love and not be loved, it would waste one away. For to be sick and bad in love and not to mend again. All of it is a killing thing. Have you ever felt the pain? And I wish you, my love, was a nightingale sitting by yon garden wall, and I to be a drop of dew down on her breast I'd fall. Then into my love's arms, all with great sport and play. And we'd roll about the whole winter's night, and never think long for day. If I was Queen of England, as Queen Anne was long ago, many's the precious present to my love I would send o'er. She never would want money while I would rule as queen. For many's the pleasant hour I've spent round bonny Tavern Green.
Jerry Cullen, Thank you so much, Jerry Cullen. I wonder, going from one regular here at the Seamus Ennis Arts Centre to another, I wonder, could we ask Catherine to sing us a song? Would you do it? As people come in and get settled. Hi, Connor. How you doing? And we might get some queued up on Zoom as well. I see some regular faces there on Zoom. So whoever would like to sing a song, maybe let Donal know who's co-hosting, or put your hand up. Nice one.
I stood beside the Liffey side and gazed on its swirling flood. And I sighed when I thought how its waters deep ran red with our heroes' blood. And all the land was sad and dark, but none so sad as me. When I think of my Irish rebel lad, my poor Oak Machrie. His love for me was fond and true. It wove me in a spell, and how he loved his motherland, no words of mine could tell. And when his comrades thought they'd take a stand for liberty, the first to seize his rifle was my poor Oak Machrie. For 3 long days he fought beside the Liffey swirling tide, and at Bolin's Mills he helped to swell the ranks of the true and tried. But after 3 long weary days, the sad news came to me that in the ranks of the fighting fell my poor Oak Machrie. And when his comrades came to me with the news of his noble death, how he thought of me, how he spoke of me with his last long dying breath, they laid him down for his last long sleep, along with the brave and free, and left me here to mourn my dear, my poor Oak Machrie.
Thank you, Catherine. Thank you so much. So just to my right now, I'd like to ask another singer. I'd like to welcome Anne to sing a song. Maybe after this, if someone would like to put their hands up on Zoom, we'll get one from Zoom, make sure that everything's rocking and rolling in the Zoom sphere. So maybe after this, after Anne here beside me, we might go on to Zoom and see if anyone is ready to sing something on Zoom. So everyone on the internet is very welcome as well. We don't play favorites here. So take it away when you're ready, Anne. Thank you.
Me? Maria. That's grand, no worries. It's my middle name, that's okay. I go first.
Maria is going to go first here.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Da kasse kailinja sara meruganes nadra lubna quiles glesha uravya gromla Shean ragarak shilam go kunagis go tla Tan sail na gala is bagamish and sushin ban. Smavin to bilam a story in mockery. Ismavin to bilam a scorati. Smavin tulam skarlam gakorlek dedokri Shemavila knak lam de donik tu marvni O de vise shall imbukale drum vergri O de vise shalagus demero in cartilmni O de vise shalagus demero in kuigle no hri Hunger yin an van shalungo lungo dunkri Smavin tulam bilam a story in mockery. Ismavin tulam bilam a scorati. Smavin tulam skarlam gakorlak dedokri. Shemavila knak lam de donik tu marvni. Is a yen of yard karaka sandu ikshome. Fe cloak e jaragel wadon karjagwe. Oh, the hoose is Jack Mararev Shark is Dean Gramoclave. Curran Chanavan Bakt Ek Hassan Tugan me. Smavin tulam bilam a story in mockery. Ismavin tulam bilam a scorati. Smavin tulam skarlam gakorlak dedokri. Shemavile knak lam de donik tu marvni. Gramaga.
Massive thanks to Maria. I'd like to ask our co-host, Donal Kearney, who was one of the founding co-hosts of this wonderful new session. However, he was selfish enough to have a second baby and hasn't been in person. So now we're going to welcome him on Zoom to introduce our next singers. How are you, Donal? So can we get? We can't hear you in the room just yet, Donal. You keep talking in your beautiful Northern Irish accent, and we'll find a way to turn you on here in the room in the Seamus Ennis Arts Centre.
Testing, testing. Is that
Oh, that's Warren Point. Warren Point, I hear. Okay, very good.
Warren Point coming
Welcome.
right at you?
Fáilte.
I'm actually joining from Skerries in North Dublin here, but delighted to be online with a few great singers as well. So I'm just saying hello for now, and I'll be online to help keep things nice and smooth. And I know that we have our first singer who's going to join is Cormac. So we'll ask Cormac to unmute, and we'll just make sure that we can hear him as we hand over to him. So if Cormac unmutes and lets us know, then we can get him going. Let him up on the screen there. Not working just yet.
Yeah. Hello there.
Fantastic, Cormac.
How you doing? I'm gonna do a song from Tory Island. So I'm Boyle Jess Og. Natural living Boyle Jess Og. Me was the hardery. Mat free cricket car. That is Thursday that you his was the boy in the jealous story. Go to Shilla Shin Paul, the Hangers joy. The Malleable Column Joe, but the yes not your tea. Go to Yellow, go to the near for boys, having it cheerfully glad at one. A ranny a driven cast, as the near me how the one. Even agus rannig hen clan na an penyon o foshe wahi sheja Wigin yi na lagar har she na fokshal nyal pinge gahan rahar the glass is Jacka the Chevalda is a keeping tolerant. That was a yang, but all tolerance now had head. But the Hanyago got ho, she bought Alice foreign way yesterday. A period run Palermo Sassel is showing to than to cring. Quick potter than that he get one, get Palola Gadri. Now more than Pabble as that. La gela dishes, la badness dishes, na blan the grave. Baraya samuel sarat, baraya sataribui. Ancient movies, Nakadani, Hogabis, Tarrant, sweet blood and tea.
Now, is Donal queuing up another singer from the Zoom, or will we bring it back into the room here? We'll bring it back to the room and we'll call back on you, Donal, if that's okay. So we're looking forward to going back into the room. I have a couple of people here that I want to queue up that I'm very excited to hear from. they weren't ready yet, so I'll stall and I'll sing one song while they get ready. So after this, I'd love to ask Andrea Delaney to sing a song, another Armagh singer, just like our special guest. And after that, she has a young student here, Jacob, and I'm going to ask Jacob to sing a song. So you're going to follow your teacher here, if that's all right with you. No better man. And so I'll stall while they think of what they're going to sing here. Come and sit yourselves down, and I'll sing you some phrases recall faded glory in honor of the dead. And I hope that a smile will crack all of your faces, and care and all worry escape from your head. I sing of some lads of exceptional quality, each of them genius is truly unique. Oh, a gambler would bet the last bill in his wallet. A wager I sing of the classical Greek. For if philosophy mighty in pure cogitation, there's none can compare to the classical Greek. If thinking were drinking and jollification, an ocean of booze would have lasted a week. Democritus, Plato, and good old Pythagoras, Socrates, Zeno, Protagoras too. Don't forget Aristotle, his blood should be bottled. Fair play to the whole philosophical crew. Now Homer composed poetical potions of versification, the best in the world, and he juxtaposed Greek with athletical Trojans, and to the equation he added a girl. He called it the Iliad, rhyming until he had filled up his brain in a 10-gallon hat. When he started the Odyssey, friends said, my God, is he going to remember a mouthful like that? This lad, Aristotle, made everything possible, a student of Plato, and he gave his 2 cents. So if you are boohoo's and bowed and unruling, here comes a schooling on your temperance. Excellence isn't an act, it's a habit. You are what you do, and you're acting the maggot. You are what you do if you do it repeatedly. You're what you do, he repeated repeatedly. Who's next? Now for Aristotle. He was the doctor one, wasn't he? All right. Now Aristotle, no, he made everything possible. Hippocrates. Sorry, I'm always confusing my classical Greek. It's my Achilles horse. Hippocrates, surely the first of physicians, gave medical science a shot in the arm. A doctor, he says, must obey one condition. Whatever you do, don't you do any harm. His mother was proud of his fine occupation, his fortune applauded by folk far and near. But he secretly grieved that his earthly duration proceeded to Seamus Ennis Singing Centre for 2,000 years. So 3 cheers for this classical civilization. May songs in their honour forever be sung. Each singer be granted a standing ovation and glorification from each leather lung. An age of pure gold reflected their brilliance, but soon we are told the whole joint went to pot. Though genius infected these Greek by their million, not one economist along among the whole sorry lot. The classical Greek. This lady here. Lovely stuff. From Armagh, Andrea Delaney. When you're ready, take it away.
So here's a curveball. Gonna sing County Down. When you're out walking and there's no one near you, but a voice keeps calling and you hear your name, it's not the leaves or the whispering breezes, it's me that's calling you back again. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me as you roam through lonely London town? As evening's falling, you hear me call. to the county down. Do you remember the fiddlers playing the songs and stories the whole night long? 'Tis little then that you thought of leaving. It feels so strange now that you are gone. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me as you roam through lonely London town? When evening's falling, you hear me calling. Come on home to the county down. The fish are dancing on Clanry River. The teams are sporting in old Glenville. My heart no longer can lead the cheering when you're not playing. It's a different game. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me as you roam through lonely London town? When evening's falling, you hear me calling. Come on home to the county down. I'm always thinking that things are changing and that they're building a factory tall. The young ones need it again in Newry, but I still need you the most of all. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me as you roam through lonely London town? When evening's falling, you hear me calling. Come on home now to the county down. Come on home to the county down.
Here for Andrea Delaney. This young gentleman here again. Some old friends of mine in the room haven't met Andrea. This is Andrea, guys. This is my fiance. This is my fiance, Andrea. And who has to follow my wonderful fiance, Andrea, is one of her singing students. And we welcome to the first time to the session, and hopefully you'll come back again. We're going to welcome Jacob here. So we might go for a quick song on Zoom, and then we'll go to our special guest singer here. Our special guest singer was just talking earlier about how important it is for young singers to gain the confidence by coming to these places. So you're very welcome. Let's have a big round of applause to Jacob. Thank you.
In my memory I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where our school played ball by the gas yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. And going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town I had loved so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn called the women from Brecon. The Mer and the Bog, when their man on the door play the mother's role. They fed the children and then trained the dogs. And when times got tough, there was always just enough, but we saw it through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride in the town I had loved so well. There was music there in the dairy ale, like a language that we all could understand. I remember the day when I earned my first pay, when I played in a small pickup band. And there I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me. For I learned about life, and I found my wife in the town I had loved so well. Oh, but when I returned, how my eyes had burned to see how a town could be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on to every breeze. And now the army's installed by the old gas yard wall, and the damn barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and their guns, oh my God, what have they done to this town I had loved so well? And now the music's gone, but they carry on, for the spirit's been bruised, never broken. They will not forget, but their hearts are set on tomorrow, and peace once again. And for what's done is done, and what's won is won, and lost is lost and gone forever. Now I can only pray for a bright, brand new day for the town I had loved so well.
So we're
Great
going over to
stuff.
Zoom. Yeah.
Thanks a million. Can you folks hear me okay? That was lovely. Thank you so much for the songs, Andrea and Jacob. Some lovely songs from Ulster there. So now we are going to go to Gavin, who's going to unmute, and we'll get him up on the screen. He's going to give us a song. See Gavin there getting ready to go. Here he is. Just unmute there, Gavin. Hopefully it'll work if we can get you unmuted there.
There you are now.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Over to you, Gavin.
Yeah, that was wonderful, Jacob. You have a lovely way with that song. All alone to the banks of the dark rolling Danube, fair Adelaide did roam when the battle was o'er. Oh, where then, she cried, have you wandered, my true love? Or where do you wither or bleed on the shore? She travelled a while, the tears her eyes flooding, through the dead and the dying she walked near and far, till she found by a river all bleeding and dying, by the light of the moon, her poor wounded hussar. From his bosom that heaved the last torrent was streaming, and pale was his visage, deep marked with a scar, and dimmed was the eye once expressively beaming, that had melted in love or had kindled in war. How sad was poor Adelaide's heart at sight, and how bitterly she wept o'er the victim of war. Have you come then, he cried, this last sorrowful night for, to cheer the loved heart of your poor wounded hussar? Thou shalt live then, she cried, heaven's mercy relieving, and each anguishing wound shall forbid me to mourn. cried, for my life is fast fading, and no light from the moon shall to Henry return. Thou charmer of life, ever tender and true, take my love to my babes who do wait me afar. Then his faltering tongue scarce bid her adieu when he died in her arms, her poor wounded hussar. Sinead, thank you lads, it's lovely singing tonight.
Thanks a million, Gavin. Good stuff.
Yeah, I think we're going to go over. Thank you so much, Donal, and thank you, Gavin. Powerful singing, as always, as every month. Now we're going to go for our special guest singer down there. We're looking forward to hear from you, Pierce. Can we get one big round of applause? So this is the current RTE Folk Choice Award-winning singer, emerging artist. Yo, Pierce Starkin, take it away.
Thanks very much. Brilliant song, Gavin. I was actually thinking about learning that one on the way down in the car, but it's a good job I didn't, because it would have been wasted time. Yeah, I probably should have thought. I had don't know how many songs sort of half thought out and didn't actually sit to write a list out.
We only need a few now, then we're going to take a break.
Grant, sir. You tell me when to stop. So, I'll go with I'll do a handy one in Irish from Donegal. Ceanna Bhuirme ó Diane, just on Túsacar le Shinleithe. I think it is actually a bit of a Tory song as well, so that one's going out for Cormac there. It's called Unabug na Hecha. So An Dramshin Mean and Balladuna Boga Higan Alaku Tan Balla Shogan Yan for to Jimmy Manog Vi Manogs na Hekshe Ons Vi Bonaparte na Hasu on Ern Quarter Deck na Hasu Vi shall Lara Rishu War Una Bug na Hecha na Tu for Clue Saru An lashin in Ramalta na Gianach na Filon Skillings pon the yarn shiffer to it allow Yeshle Koshni Gini Galta Gus Carta the hole An Mokshin Liam na Carrigan all Wuri do Arbe In there and an Alban assassin holar Kaulak more the Franca Vesig Jula Grandeur Good Jirigakala Canfort let down the collar more On Mock Taler Hune the Traye Gull her Salem Warroch Na Franken then a Spanian a Parliamentary Down the Gull her Sala Chuck na Fail the Parlic Screwy she done Bonreen I will make you tea. You know what? So I let this off easy that time, so I'll sing a big long one that goes on for 20 minutes. No, just Cormac came quick, so it did. Oh, caught me out. No, obviously Ulster singer, Ulster songs, all that crack. Oh, powerful, brilliant. Service with a smile and everything. So obviously Ulster singers, Ulster songs, and there's obviously a great strong tradition around the Loch Shore, as they say, and all around Loch Ness there's some powerful singers, and there was a family in particular, the Hannas, and there's one song in particular that I took a liking to and have started singing. So
It's the Fisher's Cot. So I'd heard probably both versions of it, of Geordie's and Sarah's, which is probably Sarah Ann O'Neill's. They're probably very close, but I have heard the versions they both do of Old Ard Bow. Same family, brother and sister, two different versions of the song. So I'll give this a go and see how we get on. Whether we get stuck on the side or what. My thoughts and fancies take their flight to days when but a boy. When carelessly I wandered through my beloved Mount Joy, I have seen great lands and mansions grand, and cities fair and gay, but no finer spot than the Fisher's Cot on the banks of sweet Loch Ness. God bless you, Derry Lochan, King's Island and Clonoo. Likewise to Killicolby, Clonto and Old Ard Bow. It was God who planned that enchanted strand from Tomb to Washing Bay, but he ne'er forgot the Fisher's Cot on the banks of sweet Loch Ness. Now I was told that there was gold and wealth in foreign parts, but millionaires can have their cares, in fact have broken hearts, but a smile so light or a heart so bright you won't find far away as what you've got on the Fisher's Cot on the banks of sweet Loch Ness. I have met some friends now from my youth, who too were forced to roam, with the tear-filled eyes they recognise there is no place like home. And if God would grant one wish they'd want, and for that wish they'd pray, is a peaceful bed to lay their head on the banks of sweet Loch Ness. Where is that pretty Colleen with whom I went to school? Perhaps she took a woman's vows and filled the golden rule, but I'm alone and I'm far from home, no children fair or gay. Sad is my lot on the Fisher's Cot on the banks of sweet Loch Ness. Ah, but now, dear friends, my muse ends,
I am coming back once more. In some shady nook to bait my hook along the emerald shore. My lines to haul and my nets to trawl and my boat to bring to bear. Never more to roam from my cherished home on the banks of sweet Loch Ness.
Would you do us one more and then we'll take a lovely 10-minute break and get a cup of tea?
Roughly, how long of a song?
Oh.
A big one or a wee one?
Whatever you want. You have us in
right.
thralls.
I'll probably forget the words of this one, but I think it's a lovely song, and my mommy and my daddy didn't agree with it for a long time. Didn't say it was a nice song. It might have been just that I did a bad version of it, but we'll see how we get on. So there's two names on it. So there's one name, Ye Lovers All, but there's another version of it called the Ballyronan Maid. So I was told it was the Ballyronan Maid at the start, so we'll stick with that. Oh, it's impossible to put a key on it. I know. Ye lovers all, both great and small, of learning you've had your share. Your genius bright, help me to write the praises of a comely fair. Your poet's mind with me combined, assist me and lend your ear. Your voice is raised, help me to praise my comely Ballyronan maid. One evening bright, by the moonlight, I went my darling to see. I being dressed all in my best, I thus address this comely she. Says I, fair maid, if you'll consent, we'll join our hands in wedlock state. If you'll prove so kind to ease my mind, my comely Ballyronan maid. She says, young man, I must refuse, a single life I quite enjoy. I pay no rent, my heart's content, and marriage I do quite deny. Well, if you want to marry me, and you're sure I can not you persuade, I'll take my leave, no more to see my comely Ballyronan maid. She says, young man,
I pray be calm. Those words I spoke were only in jest. Since I have proved you pure and true, since I have put you to the test. In wedlock bands we'll join our hands, our happiness won't be delayed. The time is nigh when I'll enjoy my comely Ballyronan maid.
Cheers, starting everybody. So just a wee 10-minute break to get a drink or cup of tea, or quiz Pearson on every word of the last things he said for last. No, only joke. So we'll see you back here in 10 minutes. Thank you so much, and yeah, we'll keep it going. So we're back. We're back in the room here. We're looking forward to a very exciting second half here. Great singers lined up. First of all, I'd like to throw over to our co-host, to Donal Kearney, who's already unmuted, to sing us a wee song and then introduce our next Zoom singer. Thank you so much, Donal.
Lovely. Thank you, Fergus. Hope everybody's in good spirits this evening. We'll have another song from Zoom after myself from Seamus. So I'm going to sing a wee song on an Ulster theme. I think we'll go for a Donegal one. This is Father Mumi. Is Father Mumi Arungas Kapalya Minchi Slagahogana Surkangurshunin Nakanji Avali Achichark Natrega Samishabra Skulinaya Gachin Lavali Dadigas nos erhurt favaranagrib slagaram maguach kushin marvri Belin malam marn rosi sulvovar ganam ganchlin Sagalig un krona shem vron gan mali Thanks very much, folks. So if Seamus is ready, I'll ask him to unmute and we'll get him up on the screen so you can all listen to his beautiful song coming to us from Rathoath, County Meath. Over to you, Seamus.
Thanks, Donal. This song was written by Sheila Miller from Edinburgh, and you might recognise the tune. Oh, when I was much younger, I played the banjo, and I sang round the folk clubs of Scotland. From St Andrews to Ayr, from Dumfries to Thurso, to fighting I ne'er gave a thought, man. But in 74, when my conscience was clean, far up in the north, Inverness saw a scene, which began such a conflict as great as e'er has been. And the whole thing began with a lassie. This lass, she sang waltzing Matilda, and the Highlands were hushed at the sound, except for the whirs of the tape recorders, as the copycat spools turned around. How well I remember when I first heard that song, realized I was on to a good thing. It could bring me fame and fortune, I cared not a whit. that I hadn't the voice for to sing it. But I wasn't alone, for those tapes soon spread, and then others too took it into their heads to use Waltzing Matilda to make them some bread. We all jumped upon the bandwagon, and we massacred Waltzing Matilda with our banjos, keyboards, and guitars. Self-deprecators, ambitious proclaimers, we became the folk club superstars. Oh, we were the first, but in time others came, and we all had a hand in the slaughter. The tuneless, the tasteless, the drunk, the insane, and not one asked the leave of the author. And long did we squabble, and long did we fight, to be the first to record it, and the others to spite. Each worked out their arrangement and tried copyright, never thought of the man who first wrote it. So we all sang Waltzing Matilda, and we wrangled and bickered and brawled, till breath by breath we just sang it to death, and now nobody sings it at all. Waltzing Matilda, Waltzing Matilda, who'll listen to Waltzing Matilda with me? Breath by breath we just sang it to death now. No one sings Waltzing Matilda at all. Cheers.
Wonderful. Thank you, Seamus. Seamus brings levity most months here. Thanks for joining us again this month, Seamus. Really appreciate it. We're going to go down to Connor Sweetman.
Me, I suppose.
And who usually starts off the session when Jerry Cullen isn't here. So we're calling back on him here. And
those times.
And then we're going to go into the middle of the room for a song from China or Japan. You have to toss a coin. So, but first, Connor, take it away.
Trying to recall the words of a song. I will sing a short song. One fine sunny evening last summer, I was straying along by the sea when a pair of queer playboys a roving before me I happened to see. Now to learn what these boyos were up to, a trifle I hastened my walk, for I thought I could learn their profession if I got within range of their talk. Now one of these boys was the devil, and the other was Bailiff McGlynn, and the one was as bad as the other, and they both were as ugly as sin. Says the old boy, says he, I'm the devil, and you are a bailiff, I see. Ah, 'tis the devil himself, says the bailiff, now that beats the devil for me. Now a gosling ran out from a cottage and took him up over the fields. May the devil take you, cried his mother, as she rattled a stone at his heels. Ah, now why don't you take the young rascal, your highness the bailiff, he cried. Ah, it was not from her heart that she said it, the devil he smiling replied. Close by a small patch of potatoes a bonnet was striving to dig, when the owner came out and she saw it. May the devil take you for a pig, said the bailiff, now that's a fine offer. Why not take the bonnet, says he. Ah, 'twas but with her lips that she said it, and that's not sufficient for me. Well, then the young gosson espied them, and into his mother he fled, crying, Mother, there's the bailiff. And she clasped her two hands, and she said, May the devil take that ugly bailiff. Says the old boy, bedad, that'll do. It was straight from her heart that she said it, so bailiff McGlynn, I'll take you.
Connor Sweetman. While the microphone is setting up, I'll just welcome Yuhan. Yuhan from China.
Hi everyone.
Coming via Abu Dhabi or Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah. Ara Dubai, as we say in Kerry. And what are you going to sing for us?
Just a short love song I always sing for Leo before I sleep.
Oh, they're too cute.
Yeah. Okay. 月亮在你的眼睛，太阳在我心。现在我唱这首歌，哦，只为你，想把所有烦恼都忘掉，做不做得到？你明白我心在燃烧，因为你，因为你，为你，都是你。你心中的话我全都想听，能不能相信？所有的梦里全都是你，会不会相信？和你一起是否不会再放弃？你的心里有没有秘密？我分不清，不要在意，只想为你能再写一首歌，写一首歌，都是你，都是为你。That's it. Thank you.
Everybody, let's leave the mic there. Let's leave the mic there and see Nozomi from Japan. Will you sing something for us? Will you? No, you're okay. Are you sure? Okay, we had one song from China, no song from Japan tonight. Next month, someone better. Pierce, you have to come back and sing a song in Japanese next month, okay? Because I'm disappointed.
Give me another language. Something.
I'm disappointed, but
something.
Will we go? Will Jilly? Will you sing us a song, Jilly Cullen? Yeah, so we can swing that microphone around. And then, by the way, we'll go back to Donald to take us on to someone on the Zoomosphere after this, and then return to our wonderful singing guest, Pierce Larkin. After all that.
It's all very technical. I came to this country 1849. I thought myself lucky for to be alive. I looked all around me, no one could I see that I could compare with my pretty Sari. I wish I was a poet, could write in fine hand. I'd write my love a letter, one she'd long understand. I'd send it by the water, where the islands overflow, and I'd think of pretty Sarah
wherever I go. My love, she don't love me as I understand. She wants some freeholder, and I have no land, but I can maintain her with silver and gold, and all of the fine things my love's house could hold. Farewell, my dear father, likewise mother too. I'm going to ramble this country all through, and when I get tired, I'll sit down and weep, and I'll think of pretty Sarah, wherever she be. 'Tis not this long journey that grieves me for to go, nor the company I'm keeping, nor the debts that I owe. But there's one thing that grieves me and bears on my mind. That's leaving my darling, pretty Sarah, behind. I love you, pretty Sarah, I love you, I know. I love you, pretty Sarah, wherever I go, on the banks of the ocean, on the mountainside brow. I loved you then dearly, and I still love you now. Sinead.
Billy, everybody.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful, Jilly. Donal here from the Zoom room. We're going to go back and invite David, who's joining us from Austin, Texas. So David is going to prepare himself there. We'll get him ready up on the screen. And yeah, I'll hand over to you once you're up. I think it's David rather than Dan. Yeah, David's unmuted there. Can you hear us okay, David?
Yeah, fine.
Good stuff. All right, over to you.
I got to say, of all the music sessions I participated in, this has got to be one of my absolute favorites. So this is Shakespeare's sonnet number 30, which I have set to the wonderful old air of Bridget O'Malley. When to the sessions of sweet silent thought I summon up remembrance of things past, I sigh the lack of many a thing I sought, and with old woes new wail my dear times wast. Then can I drown an eye unused to flow, for precious friends hid in death's dateless night, and weep afresh love's long since cancelled woe, and moan the expense of many a vanished sight. Then can I grieve at grievances forgone, and heavily from woe to woe tell o'er the sad account of bemoaned moan, which I knew pay as if not paid before. But if the while I think on thee, dear friend, all losses are restored and sorrows end.
Thank you, David. David, you were in fine voice there. Just in case anyone was interested, if you don't select the kind of music mode on Zoom, it will let you sing away, but it will interpret a concertina as feedback.
Yeah.
So there was
Okay.
some bias against your lovely concertina there from Mark Zuckerberg or whoever is behind it.
All right.
But no, your singing was in fine voice and we could hear you well. So thank you for that, David. We're going to go back into the room, and Anne, you're going to take us away with a song.
Thank
you
you
so much.
I wish I were on yonder hill. There I sit and cry my fill, till every tear would turn a mill. Iskaje tu a warning song. Shoo, 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 Shuga sakar agus shuga kyun, Shuga daras agus eliwan. Iska jetu awan inslan. I'll sell my rock, I'll sell my reel. When the flax is spun, I'll sell my wheel to buy my love a sword of steel. Iska jetu mawan inslan. Shoo, shoo, shoo la la. Shuga sakar agus shuga kyun, Shuga daras agus eliwan. Iska jetu mawan inslan. And now my love has gone to France for his fortune to advance. If he e'er returns, 'twill be but a chance. Iska jetu awan inslan. Shoo, shoo, shoo la la. Shuga sakar agus shuga kyun, Shuga daras agus eliwan. Iska jetu awan inslan. coats, I'll dye them red, and round the world I'll beg for bread, until my parents would wish me dead. Iska tu awarnin slan. Shul, shul, shulara. Shul gasakar agus shul gakyun. Shul gadaras agus eliun. Iska tu awarnin slan. Thank you.
Gorgeous. Thank you, Anne. We're going to go back to our guest singer. So let's just give a round of applause for everyone who sang here tonight on Zoom and in the room. Thank you so much. Pretty special. So we're going to go back to our guest singer, and we're looking forward to hear a few songs. Do you want the drone? Is that what you're signaling to me?
Yes. Yeah.
Start off. I'll join you.
That's a good. That would imply I know what key I was going to do it in. I do think it is C, but
yeah. Sit beside Mr. Sweeten.
Yeah, that's about it.
How does this feel?
Oh, I'll preface it with the name of the song. Would probably be a good idea. So I'll start off the second half with an Armagh song.
Yo!
Yo! And one I've been singing a while now, but it's a lovely song, so I'm justified in singing it. So the song's called Dobbin's Flurry Vale. So there's a couple of, there's probably a million versions of it at this stage, but I'd say I have a nice mix between Cathal O'Neill's and Len Graham's versions. So it's kind of a Pierce Larkin version of the two. Go down one, physically, if it's possible.
It just means, yeah, sure.
We'll try it. If it goes badly, sure, what odds? Nobody died. No one died in this one, so we're all right. One morning fair as Phoebus bright, her radiant smiles displayed, and when Florin her verdant gird, the green field she arrayed, as I did roam throughout each grove, no cares did me assail, till the paradise wide on riverside, and Dobbin's Flurry Vale. As I sat down them
spreading tree. The limpid streams that gently rolled conveyed these words to me. Farewell, sweet maid, the youth, she says, for now I must set sail, and I'll bid adieu to our man you and Dublin's flowery vale. Oh, forbear these thoughts and cruel words that wound a bleeding heart. For is it true that we're met here, alas, so soon to part? Must I alone here sigh and moan, to none my grief reveal, but here lament my cause to vent on Dublin's flowery vale. Do not reflect that you're alone, nor yet that I untrue. For although that I am far away, my thoughts they'll be of you. There's not a flower in shady bower over verdant hill or dale that will me remind of my love behind in Dublin's flowery vale. So in mutual love together through, both in a fond embrace, whilst the tears like rosy drops of dew did trickle down her face. She tried in vain him to detain, but while she did bewail, he bade adieu, and I withdrew from Dublin's flowery vale.
Hello, Right. I'm debating two songs in my head. So I have a Cross McGlenn song or a Katie song. Any preference? No.
Cross.
Oh, shit. We'll see how it goes. I normally get jumbled up in the last couple of verses because it talks about guards and judges and policemen and all that crack. I don't have much time for them, folks. So the song's The Dale and Men from Cross McGlenn, but it's a wee bit. There's a great singing tradition around our locality, and one such singer would have been John Campbell. And there's a great album on Spotify. And the album is titled The Dale and Men from Cross McGlenn. And one of the boys in a band that I'm in sent it over to me one day and was like, "Have you listened to this?" I was like, "No, I haven't." And I've been listening to it ever since. I'd say I've listened to it 150 million times at this stage. And I've a couple of songs learnt off it. I've more to do, but we're getting there. There's only so many hours in the week. So come all ye rambling Irishmen, and to me a while, and if you close attention pay. I think that's how it starts. Come all ye rambling Irishmen, and listen to me a while, and if you close attention pay your ears, I'll soon beguile. No story mean of Grecian queen, her tales of Trojan lay, but a song of woe that happened so with whiskey and the tea. Ach, I was a bounty totaler for 3 long years or more. The neighbours all respected me, in decent clothes I wore. The family, they looked up to me till one accursed day, when like a child I was beguiled with whiskey in the tea. It was at the fair of Shercock I went to sell a mare. All me friends and neighbours and the Dale and men were there. I trotted her up and down the street, her form to display, and I then went in with the Dale and men to get a cup of tea. Ach, I only took the second cup when up the ructions roar. I saw that I was put upon, I slaughtered friends and foe. The police they did surround me and haul me up the next day. When me case was read, I duly pled there was whiskey in me tea. From Carrickmacross to Cross McGlenn, the justice then did say, the justice then did allow, there are more rogues than honest men, and anyone will allow. But it isn't rogues nor honest men, the justice then did say, we deal with now a drunken row and whiskey in the tea. So come all ye bounty totalers, if sober you may be careful of your company, and mind what happened to me, for it isn't rogues nor honest men that the justice. Oh, be the Lord. Something about not drinking tea in Cross McGlenn. Shouldn't have well. Apologies. I get it again.
I would have made it up. You're an honest man.
Yeah. Oh, we're all right. We get there. Right. What's the clock looking like?
Sure. We don't want to stop you.
What are you
do one with the guitar?
Yeah.
Our sound man is saying.
We'll try. Yeah. I was going to go for another two, that's why.
Please
I was-
do. Will we have 2 more songs for it?
Yeah. To make up for that bad one. So we'll try this. We'll stick to the routine. I want to go back. The Katie song's a good song. But this is a Cork song by, I'm not sure if it's a Cork song. Jimmy McCarthy wrote it. It's called The Contender. There's plenty of versions of it out there. But I would have heard a friend of mine singing it, Jack Gladney, and then another, obviously Christy Moore's version as well is brilliant. So I'll see how my version goes this evening. So.
Oh, and I was young and I was in my day. Could have stole what woman's heart there was away. Sing and dance until the morning, blaze away until the dawning. Long before I was the man you see today. I was born beneath the star that promised all. I could have lived my life between Cork Cove and Youghal. Oh, this point it shook me. By the bottle, live, and by the bottle I shall fall. There in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. Oh, the ring, the rose, the matador is raven. And when I die, I'll die drunk down on the street. You can count me out to 10 in clear defeat. Wrap the starry plough around me, let the pipers air resound me. There I'll rest, the Lord of love I meet. There in the mirror on the wall, I see the dream is fading from the contender to the brawl. Oh, the ring, the rose, the matador is raven. Wrap the starry plough around me, let the pipers air resound me. There I'll rest till the Lord of love I meet. Well,
right. Well, here I'll do me wee bit of thanks. Thanks very much to the lads for putting everything together in the Seamus Ennis Arts Centre. Thanks Fergus for the invite down, and thanks everyone for coming. Hope you enjoyed, even though I can't remember lyrics. Doesn't bode well. I'll go back to the Katie song. I was going to sing it anyway. So it's a Sean Moan song, for anyone that knows Sean. The song's called Rosie Black. I actually never asked him was it a true story or not. So believe it or not. So you can make of it what you will. So. "'Tis well I mind that summer time when I first met Rosie Black. I was young and strong, the days were long, and the nights were filled with crack. The Clippertons were all the rage round the city hall, Armagh, and I was there with 19 others all in Higgins' hackney carriage. She wore no paint upon her face, she had no fancy clothes. She didn't need a hanky, for she never blew her nose. But she'd get up and dance with great delight, she'd cheer and clap the band. She'd dance to the rattle of a bucket, and she's daft on Jimmy Shan. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no 5-bar gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked dogs would turn me from her door. No briars dens nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. Well, I courted her both long and hard, she was treated like a queen. 2 pictures in the cosy, fish suppers and ice cream. I asked her father for her hand, for I'd fallen neath her spell. He says, you can have her surely, and you can take her ma as well. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no 5-bar gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked dogs would turn me from her door. No briars dens nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. Now the next time that I saw me love, the blood did freely spill. She was eating chips and malakas with a git from Bambrook Hill. I hit him a clip on the butt of the lip, never thinking of my girl Rose. And she lifted a bottle of vinegar and broke it o'er me nose. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no 5-bar gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked dogs would turn me from her door. No briars dens nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. With a broken heart and a busted nose, I caught the last bus home, never more to dance in the city hall to the sound of the Clippertons. But it is John Wayne that I do blame for all of my downfall. For what worked for Maureen O'Hara was no good for Rosie Black. No want nor tear nor taxi fare could keep me from her side. No spite, no hate, no 5-bar gate could me my love deny. No rivers, bogs, nor wicked dogs would turn me from her door. No briars dens nor barbed wire fence could me my love deter. So I've said farewell to hackney cars, picture houses and dance halls, and I'll do me curtain nearer to home, where the girls are neat and small. But I dare not go into a chip shop now,
For when I smell vinegar, I get a pain in me nose, and I think of Rose in the City Hall Armagh.
Okay, everyone. Fantastic. So thank you so much for coming out, everybody. Thanks to Shane. Thanks to Olo. Thanks for Niall. Thanks for everyone for putting this amazing thing, for Jerry and Pierce Starkin, of course. Everyone for putting this wonderful night together. So we will be back next month on the 18th of April. So it's always the third Thursday. I know some people drove here just for Pierce, but you just have to come back again next month. That's part of the deal. So the 18th of April, we have Branwen Kavanagh. I don't know if you've heard of the trio Rufus Nightjar. I've been seeing them doing amazing harmony arrangements on social media and everything. Unbelievable stuff. So we have Branwen on the 18th of April, and we're really looking forward to it. So hopefully we'll see you then. Let's put one more round of applause together for everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, and see you next month. Thank you, and see you next month. Thanks, everybody.